Hi, we're going to be looking at neutralisation, and the chemicals we're going to be using is a dilute sulphuric acid at 0.08 molar, and we're going to be neutralising 0.1 molar of sodium hydroxide. The setup we've got is we've got our clamp with a 50mm burette set up there. This has the sulphuric acid in it. We have a white tile and a background where we can see all of the figures. Here we have our pipette with our sodium hydroxide in it, and basically we've got 25 ml of sodium hydroxide going into our conical flask. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some methyl orange indicator into our solution. And we're going to use 10 drops of this. And as we can see, we'll swirl that around a little bit, and colour has now gone to like a pale yellow colour. So we put the burette into the conical mouth, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn this tap on, which will allow the sulphuric acid to drip into the conical flask and into the solution that we've had there. And what we want to try and do is try and get that to deliver at a drip a time to be as accurate as possible. So there we've got our flow of acid dripping into our sodium hydroxide. Periodically what we're going to do is we're just going to agitate that liquid around. As you can see, as the acid drips into the solution, it's forming a pink cloud in the centre. So we'll keep stirring that around. As you can see now, we've got a constant flow. We're now at 7 ml of acid into the conical flask. And if you can notice, the yellow liquid is changing. It's becoming a deeper yellow colour now, and that cloud is getting more intense. The more acid that drips into the sodium hydroxide solution, the more difficult it becomes to remove the pink cloud. And what we're trying to do here is we're trying to measure exactly when this solution turns from yellow to red, which will indicate that there's more acid than there is alkali. So it's becoming quite close now to changing colour permanently to red, and as soon as it does, we're going to turn off the tap there, and as we can see, we've used 15.5 ml of the acid to turn the solution to red. So basically what we need to do is we need to repeat this experiment 3 times exactly the same way, and use those 3 figures to then calculate an average amount of sulphuric acid that it takes to neutralise the sodium hydroxide. Thank you.